here we are a little bit deeper into the diagnosis. We have the valve cover off and the intake side cam ledge tray off, not the exhaust side, because we heard the knocking coming from cylinder 5 intake side, and lo and behold, as you can see, there's scoring on the rocker arm. So there's a decent bit of scoring we can notice here, also on 2 of the intake side rocker arms. And I'd like to show you guys something more interesting. So here we are right by the camshaft, and I also wanted to show you guys something interesting. Right here you might be able to see all the lobes are smooth, and here you can probably tell there's a very decent amount of scoring on the camshaft. So imagine every other intake valve gets open and closed, and this one has to go through this very rough edge. So pretty obvious that this is what was causing our really loud ticking sound, not only on the camshaft side, but also on these rocker arm lobes. So of course, if you have a knocking sound, the knocking sound and the ticking could be very specific to your engine. We're just glad that we don't have to swap this motor. We were able to save this motor and catch that issue early on. So that is everything for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you found this helpful.